Bro, that was just luck, bro. That was pure luck. You didn't mean to do that. Watch Joe? What do you mean? Why is everybody talking about Joe? Watch Joe? Somebody said Joe's twerking? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck was that? What was that? Why is Joe twerking? I can't believe I just witnessed that. That feels like really weird.